Our projects that we're doing now, and actually something that will probably evolve over the next couple of years, is one to map out the spawning habitat of spotted sea trout in the local areas, Port Aransas and also the National Estuarine Research Reserve that kind of surrounds local waters. With the main idea that the spotted sea trout is the most important recreational fishery in the region. We know a lot about the reproductive biology of the species, but we really have very little information on where this fish is spawning and how often they're spawning at these various habitats.
So one way that we're attempting to map the spawning habitat of spotted sea trout is using a hydrophone, which is an underwater microphone. So we can go to different locations within the bays and estuaries and put the hydrophone in the water and actually hear the male sea trout making their drumming noises when they're calling in the females to spawn. And we can compare places like these shipping channels, seagrass beds, platforms, or other areas where there's some oyster reef and see which habitat is most important for the spotted sea trout.
So at the end of the day, what we really are trying to do here is to work with fishermen and build up a better collective knowledge. We know that fishermen have almost an endless amount of information to provide with us because they're fishermen, they're on the water every day. They know much more about the trout than we do. At the same time, we have a bit of information from the scientific perspective to contribute to them. So we think that when you put these two kind of sources of knowledge together, everybody wins.